Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
TankManJoe,
we are going to sample something we saw at Trader Joe's. It's called dark chocolate ginger cookies. Okay. Before we get into this review, I would really appreciate it if you can, down below, hit that thumbs up button. Whether you like it or not, hit that thumbs up button. I really would like it. And also, if you can subscribe to my channel. We do a lot of reviews on different foods, mostly at Trader Joe's. And I do a lot of do-it-yourself type of things, so book reviews and whatnot. So
are you sure about that?
Anyway,
you're dynamic food tasting.
Come on now, hit that thumbs up. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, we have these dark chocolate ginger cookies, Belgian chocolate. Serving size are 2 cookies, and
it's five cookies.
There are 5 servings in here, and you can see there it's 150 calories for 2 cookies. Okay, so we have a total of 8 grams of total fat, 5 grams of saturated fat, 0 grams of trans fat. And let's see, what can I say about this? It says here it's suitable for vegetarians. Okay. And there's gluten in these because there's wheat, milk, and may contain tree nuts. Okay, so dark chocolate ginger cookies. Walker cookies are baked. It's Walker's.
Oh.
Anyway.
They're Walker cookies.
Okay, whatever. We're gonna try these, okay? So, ready to give it a good try?
Yeah.
If you're new here, we have a scoring matrix. A 1 means we'll walk by this as quickly as possible when we see them in the store and won't buy it again. A 4 means we will definitely get it again. Okay, so this is our first time. Can you show the people what these cookies look like?
So see it there.
Yeah.
It just looks like a plain cookie, really.
Snap it in half.
Oh.
And there you go. It's a little airish cookie there. So this is a ginger cookie with dark chocolate. So let's give it a try.
Oh. Kind of hard.
Okay. Let you go first. Go on, Tank. Oh no, you want me to go first? Okay. I like ginger. I will be honest with you. I enjoy ginger things. I love dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is divine. I'm gonna give these cookies a 1. I'm giving these a 1 just because I don't like the mix. I don't like the mix. There's nothing wrong with it, but I wouldn't buy this again for my personal consumption. Right now, just that quarter that I ate is just a little bit too much for me right now. Go ahead. What do you think?
I give this cookie 5 minus 4. 1.
You're giving it a 1? You're gonna make the people do math out there, okay? Just put in the Pythagorean theorem and just have them slash it by. Anyway, why? Why do you give it a?
It just doesn't taste correct. The ginger and the dark chocolate. Right, dark chocolate, yeah. It just doesn't taste right.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know what else to say about it.
The dark chocolate is a good dark chocolate, but then it seems to be ruined by the ginger. For some, I mean, some people like those blends. I'm not a fan of it. I had seen this on the shelf for a while, but
You did?
Yeah, I did.
I didn't.
And I only picked it out because I said, let's do a Tasty Finds and let's try it. So yes, just on its face, I wouldn't get these cookies.
I need another taste.
Go ahead. We'll see if your brother and your father would like to eat these because, ugh.
I doubt it.
All right, anyway, so that's it. So once again, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, if there's something that you've seen in the store and you want us to test it, you know, leave a comment down below. And if you like to see more of these, or if you want to look at some other of my content, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that. So, ready? Until next time.